To install the WeatherTech hand sanitizer holder, first, while holding your finger over the bolt head on the front, loosen and remove the knob from the sliding CupFone or CupFone XL head.
The knob is twisted off.
Next, choose the hole on the hand sanitizer holder that will position it as close to the CupFone head as possible. Hole number 1 for CupFone, or hole number 2 for CupFone XL. Looking at the back of the CupFone head, while still holding the bolt head in position with your finger, place the hand sanitizer holder on the left side of the CupFone head over the protruding bolt. The hand sanitizer holder opening should be facing upward. Reinstall the knob on the bolt and adjust for your phone accordingly. Insert the bottle of PURELL Advanced Hand Sanitizer into your hand sanitizer holder, and then insert CupFone or CupFone XL into your vehicle's cup holder. Your hand sanitizer is now in a convenient and easy-to-reach location.
The demonstrator uses the hand sanitizer before sliding it into the holder.